There it is, guys. Exhaust hanger's made. We have this kicked out because this is eventually going to become a big wheel. Now, we've been working pretty hard on the intake. So we chose to go with the same silicone intake boot as our Honda Talon kit. So it's a 4 to a 3. We had to oval this out. So we got the 3-inch oval. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Skinnied up this direction to clear the spring, and that immediately goes down to a 2.5 up to another groove. You can see the clearance around the shock, very, very tight. This is just tacked together for right now. It's gonna get TIG welded. We're gonna have some sort of a bracket that goes from here to here, since that's not being used. That's gonna have some stability on the carburetor. Yeah, everything fits pretty decent. This is gonna get cut down, so we'll bring this down so it's just below the seat, give it a little bit of a gap to the seat. This will also get an outer wear. We can run either a K&N or the Uni on here. Twin Air also makes a filter for this style. Yeah, let's see what happens. If it needs more airflow and doesn't make enough power, I mean, this whole deal could get brought up too and go to a larger inlet here. So we're gonna have to test it and see what happens. Forgot to mention, this is the back half of the stock airbox shield, because more or less you have your airbox bolted to this. So this actually just unscrews from the stock 2021 450 airbox. Gets bolted back on. So that definitely helped. The shroud actually completely goes over this and bolts here, literally covers all of this. The inlet is still on the side. This used to get bolted to the earbox, so I just added 2 zip ties here. This thing is literally not going anywhere. And of course the shroud goes back over and covers it. There's actually going to be an opening here and here, so you're going to get tons of like fresh air literally just right off the front, off each side. It's going to be about right here, but you'll see that when it's finished up. So definitely not worried about it getting air. This whole deal is going to be opened right up and have a direct shot right to the air filter. Here's the radiator. So we cut that downspout off, pretty much marked out where I want this guy to get welded, so I'm going to drill a hole and then weld this back on. John just parted this off in the lathe, just a quick little part. It's gonna get welded on there like that. All right, guys, it's Monday. It's time to get this CR500 project back together here. So I just want to show you how we do our exhaust hanger. So we're going to use the factory exhaust hanger location. So that's basically just going to be just like that. The only problem is this is a 6mm hole, and this was originally for an 8mm. So if we were to just throw that in there would be some play. So we had John machine some reducer spacers on the lathe. So that actually slips right in. You go to put it down to a 6mm bolt, tightens the gap right up. So just little details like that we try to pay attention to when we're doing the builds. Looks like Drew did a good job pressure testing this radiator. No leaks. See where the welds were. Ready to go on the bike.